I'm Amy. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm doing my course in International Events Management. I chose Leeds Beckett University because the module that I wanted to do was offered here, and because of the reputation of School of Events, basically. I did my bachelor's degree in tourism and hospitality, but after I did my course in events management, this is where I want to go. And the events management course here offers a very international perspective, which I think is going to be great for my future career. My staff are very knowledgeable people and they're very experienced in this course, in their field of management, and they've been so helpful. They've been guiding me through my studies and also giving me a lot of opportunities where I can go and have a hands-on experience in the field itself. I come from a completely different part of the world and everything was just so different. So the one thing that I was most anxious about was adapting to the teaching styles in the UK, but I got a lot of help from the skills for learning workshops, and the staff were really friendly and they were very helpful in helping me adjust here. I've joined a lot of societies, but the one that I go most to is the International Student Society, where I get to meet a lot of international students, speak to them, and then share what their views and stuff are about Leeds or about studying in the UK. After I graduate from here, I would like to work in the events industry. My long-term goal is to become a wedding planner and organizer, and I'm sure the course that I'm doing here is going to equip me with that to succeed in my goal.